Hi, everybody. So I'm very proud to be able to show you a sneak preview of our new Ambassadors add-on for Charitable. And if you're not familiar, Ambassadors allows you to have peer-to-peer campaigns on your site. So others can log in, sign up, create their own fundraisers, and be able to support your cause, their cause, and teams of people with their own causes. The list goes on and on. One of the things that this add-on brings forth is more ability to design the fundraiser templates themselves without coding. And we're going to go more into this in the future, but I'm just giving you a sneak peek right now of something that's very cool and is very often requested by users of the Ambassadors add-on, which is currently in the 2 point something right now. So on the left-hand side, this is a Charitable Pro's visual campaign builder. As you can see, I have a campaign here with some, or a campaign page here with some elements on it that I added from a template that Charitable provides. I think it was the Animal Sanctuary one. So on the right-hand side is not a regular campaign. It is an Ambassadors campaign. So a user logged in, registered, and then proceeded to create their fundraiser. And with the new Ambassadors 3.0 version that's coming out, you're going to be able, as a owner of the peer-to-peer, as an admin in WordPress and admin in the administrators, to say, I want my fundraisers templates to look like an existing visual campaign. And that's a lot to take in, because that means that you're going to be able to almost create an endless variety of layouts just by using the campaign builder over here. So on the left-hand side, as you can see, this is my preview. So this is not on the front end. This is what a preview looks like of a template. On the right-hand side, you'll see that this has an image. This has text corresponding to the campaign description here. The right-hand side of this fundraiser template page looks like the layout on the left, because this campaign has a end date when it was created by the campaign creator. There's even a countdown clock on it, as you can see over here. What makes this so cool is that in order to, once you have this setting set in the new Ambassadors add-on, if you want to make a change to the template over here, there's no code. So let's do something, pretty straightforward. Let's move the donation button to the top, and I'm going to save it. So if you've created any campaigns, visual campaigns in Charitable, you already know you can do this. Now we've saved it. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to refresh. Now remember, this is not this. This is just a template. This is a campaign created by someone who has logged in and created their own fundraiser. And there you are. That's just a very simple example. So let's try adding like a progress bar to our template campaign, I should say. I'm going to refresh. And there is my donation bar. There, and this is automatically going to display for all the fundraisers that I'm currently hosting on my site and my peer-to-peer campaigns. As you can see, this I've added a few other things in here as well, like a donor wall and a YouTube video. Here's another one. So this is one campaign that's currently running on my example site with the visual campaign as a template. So here's another one created by Ted. Just going to refresh this because I made some changes, and as you can see, the template now, all the fundraisers are using this visual campaign template. And there are a few things that in the visual campaign template will be able to tweak dynamically for fundraisers on the right-hand side. But all in all, this is just one way you're going to be able to create, almost any layout for your fundraiser campaigns as you want. You don't need this campaign over here to actually run. This is just a template. You're creating this campaign just for a template. So anyway, I thought this was pretty cool. And this is going to be in Ambassadors 3.0 coming out very soon. And if you would love to be able to beta test this with us, or if you have any suggestions, feel free to reach out to us at wpcharitable.com. And remember, compassion through action. We'll see you in the next video.